Hello, I'm Jorge from Maersk Line, and today I'm going to show you how to download your verified copy in 3 simple steps. First, go to my.maerskline.com. Then, click on the top right and enter your username and password. If you are not registered yet, do not worry, it is very simple. Simply click on the link and it'll show you step by step how to register. Second, write your BL number in Track by Shipment binder bar and hit search. Immediately, you will see all the information of your shipment, and it'll also tell you if your verified copy is ready for approval. Finally, click View Verified Copy. It is important to verify that all your information here is correct. Once done, you have now finished. You have downloaded successfully your verified copy. Simple enough, right? If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to us and we will gladly assist you. Thank you for choosing Maersk Line. We will see you in another video.